Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a WordPress website using BlueHost hosting. If you want to follow with me step by step, there's a link in the description where you can click and you just follow with me as I go with this video. So first I'm going to show you how to register your domain name and also how to get your website built up and live. So first thing we're going to do is going to go to Google, and here we're going to type in BlueHost WordPress, just like that. And here we're going to click on the first link that says BlueHost WordPress recommended hosting plans, and I'm going to click on it. Great. Now we're going to scroll down and click on WordPress hosting right here, learn more. Great. Now BlueHost provides three different plans for the WordPress hosting. There's Basic Plus and Choice Plus, depending on your needs and your WordPress website. So for this case, we're just going to go with Basic, which gets you one website, free SSL certificate, 50 gigs of storage, etc. So we're going to click on Select to proceed. Great. Here we can create our new domain, or you can transfer your domain name if you want to. We don't already have a domain name, so we're going to create a new domain name. We're going to call it Monitor Travel, and then we're going to check for the domain name ending .com. There are a lot of domain name endings to choose from. We're going to go with .com. We're going to click on Next. Great, so next step is to fill in this form to create an account with BlueHost. So here you type in your first name, last name, etc. Just fill this form with your information. And in the package information, you're going to choose basic 12 months. So it's about $6 a month. So for the 12 months, it's about $71. Great, now for the package extras, these are optional, so you can decide not to choose them if you want to. For example, domain privacy, I'm going to uncheck this. Site lock and find, I'm going to also uncheck this. And code guard basic, I'm going to uncheck this. And then go right ahead to submit. So after filling in the form completely, just go ahead and check this and click on submit. Great, after submitting your form, you're going to get this welcome page that says just welcome to BlueHost. And then the next step is to confirm your email address. So go right ahead to your email address. Now in your inbox, you're going to find a message like this. So just click on verify your email to verify your email, and you will be redirected back again to BlueHost website. Now go back to the welcome page you were sent to and click on create your password. Here just type in a password of your choice, check this box and click on next. Next you're redirected to a page that has a list of themes to choose from. We're not going to choose a theme right now. We're going to just go ahead and go to the bottom of the page and click on skip this step. We're going to add a theme later. And finally, you're redirected to the BlueHost dashboard. The only thing we're going to do here is just click on login to WordPress, and then we're going to do all the work right from the WordPress dashboard. Just as a quick reminder, there's a link in the description. If you want to follow with me on step by step on WordPress, you can click that link and follow with me as I go with this tutorial. Great, now that you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, this is the dashboard that you're going to spend most of your time on. It has all the options, all the features that you may need right here on this menu. All the configuration, everything you do is on this dashboard. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to check in your website. This is what we're going to do. We're going to check in our website. So this is the content of our website. You might get something like this, which is just a demo, just a result of the one-click installer that you have just done. So we're gonna have to change all of that to make it, customize it to our liking. So we're gonna close that, and first thing we're gonna do is change the theme. And to change your theme, all you have to do is go to Appearance, Themes. This is going to give you a list of all the themes that you have. These are the installed themes that I have. I'm going to add a new theme. Great. So here I can choose among these 15 themes, but you don't have to just stick with 15. There are a lot more. Just click on popular and you're going to get a lot more themes to choose from. If you click latest, you're going to get even more. So here we have about 7,000, and the list is still growing every day, so you don't have to think about themes. You're gonna have a lot of themes to choose from. There's no problem with that. So you can choose your you can choose a theme that you like, and you can stick to it and customize it further and grow with it. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to go with a theme called Receptar. Receptar is a very popular theme, which I very like. It has a very nice view, as you can see here. So to use this theme, we're going to click install. and wait for it until it installs. Great, now as you can see it says installed, and once it's installed we're going to click on activate. Great, now it says here new theme activated, which is great. This is our thank you message. Thank you for installing Receptor theme. The next step we're going to do is we're going to customize this website's general settings. This is the title, the tagline, the WordPress address, and etc. There are a lot of options that you can configure. Just settings in general. Just click settings in general. Great, so in this page you can change the site title. Here we're going to change it to Monitor Travel. Monitor Travel. You can see the website title is changing here as well. The tagline is going to be your best portal for travel planning, for example. Great, we're not going to change any other settings for now. We're going to just come here and click on Save Changes. To check our website right now, we're going to go here, click New Visit Site on the New tab, and this is our website. This is the site title, and this is our tagline. As you can see, it's changed. It's been changed. The website as otherwise is still the same. We're gonna have to change that later. This is the content of our site. But before we do that, we're gonna close this and we're gonna customize our theme by clicking Appearance and Customize. So first thing we're gonna change here is the header image. So go to Header Image and click on Add New Image. Here we're going to just drag and drop our image, the image I'm going to use for the header. Great, I'm going to click Select and Crop over here. So I'm going to just drag this a little bit to the center, to the middle, and I'm going to crop the image. Great, now as you can see, the image of the header has changed. So what we're going to do now is just click Publish to make our changes go live. Great, now if you see here, the red doesn't go well with the blue, so I would love to change the background color of this tagline. So how to do that is you just go to Theme Options and then you click Color Accents, and this is the main color. This is the accent color. We're going to change that to another color, a little bit bluish, for example, like this. This looks a little bit better. So we're going to click Publish again and wait. Great, now the changes are live again. Great, now our changes have been made, so I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So just click here and then you're directed to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Now what we're going to do now is just check the changes. So click Visit Site, open in New tab, and these are the changes. This is our header and this is our tagline, the website name and the title and everything. So as you can see, the first page that comes up when I click on the home page is the Contact Us page. I don't want that. I can change that if I want to in the settings. So I'm going to close this, come to Settings, Reading. So here, instead of using a static page, we're just going to redirect our home page to our latest post. So our latest posts that we're going to add later are going to be shown on the home page. So the landing page is going to be the posts page. If you want to check another different page, for example a custom page or a contact us page or an about page to be your home page, you can just click here in a static page and just define that page. Here we're just going to click our latest post to be shown on the home page and click Save Changes. Great, settings saved. So we're going to check back again, see Visit Site. As you can see, now the home page shows our posts. We're going to add in a few posts and we're going to check back again and see if they're added here. So I'm going to close this. So what we're going to do now is going to head to Posts and to check all our posts. And here I have 2 posts that got installed by the demo. So I'm going to just leave them here. I can trash them if you want. Okay, if you want, you can trash them. You can move them to trash automatically. I'm just going to add other posts. So this is the post editor. This is where you're going to do all your editing, your post editing. So here we're going to add a new post titled Visit, for example, London. And here I'm going to paste a paragraph I got from Wikipedia about London. I know it's all links and whatnot, but that's not the issue here. So this is just an example. So between the first and second paragraph, we're going to add an image of London. So we're going to add this image here. So here I'm going to drag my image of London. right here. We're going to wait for it to upload. While we do that, we can add a caption. So this is, for example, an image showing London's Big Ben, for example, Big Ben. And while we wait for our image to upload, so here I'm going to explain a little bit this editor. So the editor is really easy. It's straightforward. It's easy to use. All you do is add blocks. So every block is going to be of a different types. It can add a lot of types. So to add a block, you just click on add block here, and then you define the type of the block. So to add a paragraph, you click paragraph. To add an image, you click an image. To add a big heading, for example, you add a heading, a list, quote, etc. So there are a lot of types. These are the most used. You can see the other types here. Widgets, for example, a calendar, short code, for example, etc. up to your needs. So you use the blocks up to your needs. So here we've added 4 paragraphs with a block image in between. So we're almost done with this post, where all that's left to do is set a featured image. Now, featured images are very, very important. Make sure to set a featured image, and we're going to set the image for London, so to this article. So we're going to click set featured image, and as you can see, the featured image has been changed here. So we're just going to click publish. Great, our post is live, so we're going to click here to open it in a new tab, and then we're going to take a look at it. As you can see, the image is shown here, and this is the text of our post. So here this is the title. These are the full paragraphs I pasted from Wikipedia, and this is the image that I've added in between. So this is the image block. You can add in other images if you want to, but this is the idea. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go right ahead and create 3 other posts, and then we're going to take a look at our homepage to see all the posts in one place. Great, now here we have our posts that we've added, so 4 cities. So we're just going to go to the home page and see the changes. So here we have the full posts that we've added for the different cities. These are just the sample posts. So our posts are sorted from the latest to the oldest, and to see an article, just click continue reading, and you can read more about the city, for example. And here you can just input any kind of information that you want to. In the sidebar of your website, you can find a menu here. You can find these options in your dashboard. You can change them, you can reorder them. These are the pages of your website. You can add in new pages here. So to do that, just go back to the dashboard. I'm going to close this. Go back to the dashboard, and here we're going to go to appearance and click menus. So these are the options shown in the menu. You can add in other options. If you have other pages here, you can add them. These are pages, for example. If you have multiple pages, you can check a web page here and click add to menu, and then you can reorder it in the menu as you please, for example. And if you want to delete an option, just click remove here. Click remove here. So we're going to just leave the home page and contact us, for example. I'm going to click save menu. And we're going to check back again to see the results. This is our website, and this is the menu. Now it has only 2 options: home, the home page, and the contact us page, for example. To edit your pages, just go to pages. In here you can add in other pages, privacy policy, for example, and other pages as you please. So as your site grows up, you can add in other pages, so on and so forth. This concludes our tutorial for this video. I hope this has been informative for you, and I thank you so much for viewing. If you want to rewatch the video again, there's a link in the description where you can follow step by step as you go with the tutorial.